Hello everyone and welcome to our next video on Simple AI with Python and Colab. And today we will be a little bit of Walt Disney as we will try to create our cartoon. Actually it will be a creation of MP4 container which comprises both video and audio streams. In fact, we will create video from frames, from separate images and add sounds to it, okay? And the thing to do this is FFmpeg. This is a super mega hyper monster of media processing. I like it so much. Guys who created this, you are great. Now this one is installed, let's import necessary modules. We'll use HTML and Base64 in order to play back video, writing Colab cells, pyplot and image to process images, NumPy as a must, and FFmpeg itself. And our cartoon will be a small lorry truck transpassing beautiful scenery, carrying sand to some construction site. Will be like so I have a car image and scenery image. I've drawn it with Windows Paint and I have engine sound. Let's load this all. We convert this to RGBA with alpha channel to have a transparency channel because we will superimpose images. And this is a car image. It's a nice lorry. I do some manipulation. I substitute this white background, make it transparent. Our transparency dimension 0, 1, 2, 3, number 3 will be made 0 for all the white. And finally we create our animation. We don't draw each one frame, we just use a loop, and inside this loop this loop is over the width of the scenery frame. We take small fragments and substitute them with this lorry truck. Each time we turn it into RGB and save to frames folder. Let's create this one. Frames. We save it and we give it a name, consecutive number, padded with zeros from beginning to have a correct sorting of files. This will be PNG. So let's run. And we will create around 700 frames. And next cell is how to assemble frames into a video stream. It's a complicated shell command, but actually it's very simple. FFmpeg image to pipe parameter means that take images and compose a video stream from them. And 30 is frames per second rate, and use video codec this one and use pixel format this one, and put this all into a file named video mp4. And cut command means that original images from where to take images. This is frames folder, PNG files, and asterisk means any symbols. Let's run. It will create video from our frames. Okay, this is our video mp4 container, but this is only video stream, no sounds. To add sounds to it, we run this command, which takes video from this, input audio from this file, engine sound, and gives a map of this container that 0 index is video and index 1 is audio stream, and put this all into cartoon mp4 container. It is over here. And to play video straight away in the Colab cell, we will engage HTML. We read a file, read a binary string, opening file for reading. We decode this to ASCII Base64 encoding and give it the URL source to video control wrapped into HTML. Let's run. Let's see. congratulations Waltz and Disney's, we've created our cartoon. And the main thing you need to get from this all is that contemporary media container such as MP4, which is just a box where you put several streams, video, audio streams, subtitles, several subtitles in different languages, and metadata like chapters names, etc, etc. Okay, and the powerful and undefeated tool to manage this all is FFmpeg, which is having all its power at your hand in a co-op environment. Okay, so thanks for watching, thanks for being with me, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to www.simpleai.net. See you, bye!